today I have with me the Poco X3. Poco came back to the Indian market with its Poco X2 in the start of the year and broke many records. It is one of the fastest selling smartphones of the year, and now Poco has come up with a successor to that. Let's see if the Poco X3 lives up to the high benchmarks set by Poco X2. Poco X3 is the world's first smartphone to be powered by the Snapdragon 732G. The gaming performance on offer here is incredible to say the least. The Snapdragon 732G coupled with the 6GB RAM makes it one of the fastest smartphones available under 20,000 rupees. Poco X2 democratized the 120Hz refresh rate in India, and Poco X3 offers the same. This phone is super smooth to use, be it scrolling through apps or watching videos or multitasking. One big upgrade on the Poco X3 is the 240Hz touch sampling rate. This means that the screen is much more responsive to touch inputs, which could offer significant advantage in your gaming experience. The phone packs quad rear cameras including 64-megapixel quad camera with Sony's 682 sensor. The image quality is just brilliant. The vibrancy and dynamic range of photos are mighty impressive. On the front, the phone includes a 20-megapixel selfie camera, and even that offers spectacular output. This phone packs a 6000 mAh battery which could last days under normal condition. It's also paired with a 33-watt fast charger so that you can quickly recharge your phone whenever you run out of battery. Poco X3 is a complete package. Blazing fast processor, massive battery, the smoothest screen and an amazing camera. This phone is a perfect combination of everything that you expect at this price point. And this is one of the best gaming phones in its segment. Here's a tip for the purchase of your next phone. Do check out Flipkart's complete mobile protection program that takes care of any damage to your phone at minimal price. You could also check out the hassle-free exchange policy, which will give you maximum value for your current smartphone. That's it from me, Keshav Puri, your Flipkart Tech Pro. Hope I could help you in your search for a new smartphone.